Welcome back to Theme Park Spark. Please like and subscribe. Here are 7 tips to help you save time and money on your trip to SeaWorld San Diego. Plus, stay tuned for one bonus tip about my favorite time to visit SeaWorld. Tip 1. Arrive as close to park opening as possible. The earlier you arrive, the less crowded the park will be, and you can get a lot done in the first couple hours. Tip 2. Skip the touch tanks. Everyone stops at the touch tanks first thing, since they're located right inside the entrance of the park. Come back to these later in the day, and they'll be less crowded. Tip 3. The bathrooms and orcas are located immediately to the left of the entrance. Walk to the left of the touch tanks and past the big gift shop. The restrooms are on the other side of the gift shop. To see the orca underwater viewing, keep going to the left. It's the next thing you'll encounter. Tip 4. Do the rides as soon as you arrive. See the animals later. Lines get long for the rides as the day goes on, but you can walk right onto any ride if you get there shortly after park opening. This way you won't need to buy the Skip the Line pass. Tip 5. SeaWorld is now cashless. Bring a debit card or credit card to use for any purchases. Tip 6. The food is expensive and doesn't taste amazing. It's fine, but nothing special. Also, you can't bring food in. I suggest eating a big breakfast before you arrive so you don't need to spend a lot on food. We usually only eat lunch while at SeaWorld.
Walter, how's your frosted drink?
Good. Molly,
Awesome.
remember you said I could have some? No!
Tip 7. Beware of the splash zone at shows like the Dolphin Show and Orca Encounter. They're not joking when they say you may get wet. And don't volunteer to be part of the show unless you want to get soaking wet. They intentionally splash volunteers and guests in the splash zone.
Because we like to put a little bit of flair on everything we do, and I'm just going to ask Lanakai to swim behind you. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, Pega! Every show, every time!
One bonus tip. My favorite time of year to visit SeaWorld is Christmas time. Their Santa cabin is amazing. There are special seasonal shows, and the special seasonal food is my favorite food at SeaWorld. I hope these tips help you maximize the fun on your next trip to SeaWorld San Diego. Let me know in the comments which one of these tips you found the most helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you like this video, share it with a friend. See you next time.